MTC has received new updates in the Rainy Valley testing server, so let's take a look at them. Track physics rework. In Rainy Valley, the track physics were recoded to feel more realistic and accurate to real life, most notably on tanks with loose treads or without return rollers. This is a direct comparison to the live branch of the game and the Rainy Valley testing server. The next change you might notice when playing Rainy Valley is that repairing feels more responsive. Instead of having to click on the tank multiple times to repair, the developers have issued a fix for this, and repairing now feels much more responsive and smooth. And the next change, which I feel will play a key role in gameplay, is the thermal rework. Thermal sights now look much more realistic and accurate to real life, instead of looking grainy and more like TV static. These are, again, direct comparisons to the live branch of the game and the Rainy Valley testing server. Automatic transmissions have also been reworked in Rainy Valley, as well as dust kick-up being re-added. The developers have also been experimenting with suspension arms for tanks, the Leclerc having them added in the testing branch.